right, so now we're on to our last card, which is this little town square one here. And we're going to be coloring it with Copic markers. So as I said when we were talking about inks, I need to use my Memento ink pad. This is a dye-based ink pad, but it works really, really well with Copic markers. Once I've stamped it, I make sure that the image is good and dry before I start coloring. You want to make sure to do that, otherwise you're going to start pulling some of the black from the stamp ink into your image, and we don't want to do that. So make sure to press nice and evenly all the way around and get a nice clear image. And there we go. And we're going to let that dry. I have all my Copic colors here. I will have a list of every single color that I'm using on the supply list. Again, you can use different type of markers if you want. These are alcohol-based markers, and there's several different types of alcohol-based markers to choose from. These are the ones that I've been using from the beginning, and they are my absolute favorite, so I've never changed from using them. And so I have chow markers here. They come in different forms as well, but these are the ones that I have that I will be using. We'll see you in the next video.